In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on WP Engine for the year 2025. Let's dive in and get your WordPress site up and running smoothly. First things first, you'll need to log in to WP Engine. To do this, head over to your browser and open the WP Engine login page. Enter your credentials, making sure you've got them at hand. Once you're in, click on Go to my.wwpengine.com. This will direct you to the WP Engine dashboard, which is your starting point for setting up WordPress. From here, click on your website environment and then choose Staging. This environment allows you to set everything up without affecting your live site, which is great for testing and making changes without any stress. Next, open the Staging WordPress dashboard. This will take you directly to the WordPress interface where you can begin setting things up. Now that you're in the Staging dashboard, click on WP Admin to access your site's dashboard. This is where you'll manage your site content, appearance, and settings. Speaking of appearance, let's move on and install your theme. Navigate to the Appearance tab, then to Themes and click on Add New. Here you can upload a theme you've downloaded or select from a variety already available. Once you've picked your theme, hit Activate. With your theme in place, you'll notice your website starting to take shape. Next, it's time to enhance functionality by installing essential plugins. Click on Plugins in your dashboard, then Add New. Here, look for plugins you need like Elementor for design flexibility or WP Forms for contact forms. Once installed, activate them and they'll be ready to use. With your theme and plugins set up, it's time to customize your design. Head over to Appearance, then Customize. You'll find options to adjust colors, layouts, fonts, and more. If you're using a tool like Elementor, you can open that instead for even more design options. Once you're satisfied with the look, make sure to save your changes. Now let's add pages and content to your site. Go to Pages, then Add New. Create essential pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact. Enter your text, insert images, and include any necessary links. With content in place, your site will start to feel complete and cohesive. Before you launch, you'll want to preview everything. Click on Preview to see your staging design in action. This is your chance to catch any issues before pushing things live. Once you're happy with your setup, it's time to push to live. Return to the WP Engine dashboard and select Copy Staging to Production. This step sends all your staging changes to the live site, so double check everything before confirming. When you're ready, click Confirm, and just like that, your new design is live for the world to see. Congratulations, you've successfully installed WordPress on WP Engine, customized your theme, added plugins and content, and launched your website. Enjoy your newly built site.